Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your memory and insert a micro SD card to your Moto G Stylus 5G phone. Now, you will need to open up the SIM card slot right here on the side. Otherwise, you can use like a paper clip and just press it into this hole, and this tray should pop up. So let's press it in. This tray is popping out. Now let's take the tray out, and you'll see the SIM card in here. So I currently do not have it in here, but there's a SIM card slot right here. Then this larger slot is for a micro SD card. And you can kind of tell the direction in which this will sit in here. So let's just move it into position and then snap it in. And the SD card should be flat in here. Now let's take the SD card and slide it back in, just like this. Now let's go to our phone setting. And if we slide on down from the top, there might be a pop-up saying SanDisk SD card for transferring photos and media. So we can select this and we can open files or anything under here. But we might want to go ahead and format the card. So slide on down from the top, then go to settings. Then we can go to where it says storage right here. And we can tap on this and we can go to the SanDisk storage right here, and we can see the total amount of information on here. So if we go up to the three little dots right here in the upper right side of the screen, we can go to format, and we can format the SD card. And this needs to be formatted to be able to store apps, files, and media. So let's go to format SD card. Alright, now we can go to done, and we can see how much information is being used right here. And we can switch back to this device or the Android device, etc. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.